Hi all. Okay, so if you have been watching my videos, so you probably seen already that I have disassembled many batteries in my life. As a matter of fact, I think in my life disassemble a few hundred batteries or even more. I can't know the exact number, but I've been doing it a lot. Well, this is a power bank, a very old one. Also this, and sometimes the problem with the power banks is not the cells of the batteries themselves, like in this case, but you have other problems. So it is worth trying, if you have something like this, to disassemble it, of course, carefully, without doing any short, and you know all the rules that I've been talking about for a long time. Okay, and in this case you can measure the cells, 3.58 volt, and this battery has a problem, so it is not working properly. So if the cells are okay, and there are many chargers that you can charge and discharge the cells, so you may be able to, you are able, of course, not maybe, this PCB that has already a power bank inside, and all you need to do is to put this instead of this one. The process is very easy, of course, just 2 wires of the batteries themselves, and you need to connect, of course, to the new boards that you have. And in this case the board should be bigger. Of course it's not exactly the same board, but I found something similar, so of course you can use it. Maybe the button will not be the exact, or the connectors, but you are able to connect this one instead of this, because these cells are also okay. And then you have like a new power bank. Not always the problem is in the PCB and the circuit. Sometimes, of course, the problem is with the cells themselves. But let's say it is worth trying to repair it, or look if it is possible to repair. In this case, I don't know if the batteries are glued. No, they are not. You see, it's very simple to take it out. Of course, try not to do a short if you are taking it out. Maybe before taking it, first desolder the board here. And of course this board is not exactly the same size and the same, you know, everything, but you can use it. You can, maybe you see the holes are almost identical in this case. The holder is not suitable in this case, so I need to do, you know, some repair in the plastic or something in order to put it right. I will do it, and then I will show you how it looks after replacing this one, this old PCB with the new one. And then you have like a new power bank, and you, instead of buying a new one, you can use your old one. Of course it is a good thing, try again to use. Many chargers today have ability to see how much capacity is inside while charging, and you can do in some of the charger also discharge and make sure that the capacity of the cells is okay. And also what you want to make sure that, you know, the power bank that you're using is not overloading your cells. So in this case I'm using about a 2 amp charger and 2 amp discharge. No need more than this, and of course these cells can handle. And not to use a board that is not suitable for your cells, so you have to know a few things before doing it. So I will connect it, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks when it is all done. Not bad, you see, just a lot of hot glue and stick everything to place. Of course, make sure that the polarity is okay. And you see there is a fish paper here, which of course is doing all the isolation between the battery's contact and the connector here. So now last thing to check is that now it can support the USB Type-C. It was charged at 1 amp before, now it should be charged at 2 amp. I don't think this is an issue. So let's connect and check. Yeah, you see it is now powering on, 2 amp of charge. So actually we have upgraded the power bank to be better. Also in terms of power out, it should deliver, I think, a little more than 2 amp now. And now all you need to do is to close everything back. Hopefully it will be closed okay. Yeah, you see, like a brand new power bank. Of course the cut is not the best, but you see, almost like a new power bank. So now I know that everything should be okay. We can do maybe a charge test. Okay, so the first board had unfortunately an issue. I don't know, I will check it later, but anyway, the seconds that I put looks okay. So again, let's check 2 things. A lot of mess. The charging current. Yeah. So I'm connecting and should, yeah, 2 amp. So it's okay, it is charging. We can see the LED flashing in the new homemade power bank. And then maybe I will use the same cable exactly, because no, I need a USB. And we'll try to connect it to my phone. Yeah. So this is the cable. But this is not a Type-C, so let's find USB to Type-C. Yeah, this cable is USB to Type-C. And now let's connect it to the power bank. Yeah, and it is charging. So obviously this is working, and it is also powering the LED while it is charging. And if I will remove, probably it will stop the LED after a few seconds, of course, and it is stopping. So now it looks all good. So that's what I can tell you. You can do such work at home, and if you have a power bank that has something not with the cells but with the PCB, which in my experience more than 50% of the cases, then you can fix it yourself. Brand new power bank, upgraded because it is now Type-C charging, so it will be much faster than the regular charge. So this is all for today. Thank you and bye.